AI can do amazing things, but it still can't understand a single one of them. You've probably heard people say that AI can think and feel and even replace us, like we're at the start of a sci-fi future. But here's the truth. AI doesn't think at all. It doesn't understand words, ideas, or emotions the way humans do. It's just math and pattern recognition, a tool that mimics intelligence but doesn't have a brain that actually has it. Hi, I'm Chantal, and in this video I'll show you exactly where AI's limits still are so you can see through the hype. Because once you understand that AI is not alive, it stops being scary and starts becoming something that you can actually use. Most people talk about AI like it's a new kind of mind, but it's actually closer to a calculator on steroids. It doesn't understand the world, it just spots patterns in data and predicts what should come next. That's why it can write sentences, recognize faces, answer your questions, but has no idea what any of it means. So let's start with what it really is and what is happening behind the scenes when you ask it a question. When you strip away all the tech talk, AI is just a software that learns from examples, the same way we do, only without understanding why. Let me give you an example of how AI is trained. You start by showing a computer billions of pictures of birds, and also photos of objects that are not bird. After a while, it starts spotting patterns, beaks, feet, feathers, wings. Then you show it a new picture and it guesses, this looks like a bird. But here's the catch. It doesn't know what a bird is. It's just matching patterns. So if you show it a penguin, for example, the AI might say not a bird because it doesn't really see the feathers, sometimes when it's far away, and the wings look like arms. That's where we come in. We correct it and tell it it is a bird, and over time it learns. That feedback loop of humans guiding and AI adjusting is how we train AI. So we actually give AI a bunch of information, a huge amount of information. And then the second piece is we give it feedback. When we ask question and it makes mistakes, the humans give feedback to correct that. And that's what we call the training of AI. AI doesn't actually understand anything. It just remembers the patterns that we taught it. It's helpful, but only because of the data and the direction that we provide. So the next time someone says AI is taking over, remember it can't think, it can't feel, and it has no clue why it's doing what it does. It's only as smart as the data we give it and as helpful as the guidance and the training it got. That means we're still the ones steering the ship, and that's very good news because once you understand how it works, you can use it to save time, spark ideas, and make life easier without feeling like you're being replaced. Don't let AI intimidate you. Learn how it thinks, or rather how it doesn't, and it becomes something simple. It's a tool that helps you do more of what you love faster and better. If this helped you finally understand what AI really is and what it isn't, stick around. In my next video, I'll continue to show you how to actually use some of these tools, from learning a new skill to organizing your thoughts. No tech talk required. So hit subscribe and maybe tap that little bell so that you don't miss it. Because AI isn't just for the younger crowd anymore. It's there to help you too. See you later.